Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a diagonal line into a cell in Google Sheets. Now you might be doing this to organize your headers, maybe you're working with a checklist or you just want to customize the look of your table. Whatever your reason, by the end of this video, you'll know how to add that nice diagonal line into a cell quickly, easily, and without any extra software. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up the Google Sheets file you want to work on. The method I'm about to show you uses Google Sheets' built-in drawing tool, so you won't need any outside add-ons or complicated hacks. Start by going up to the menu bar at the top of your screen and clicking on the Insert option. This is where Google keeps all the cool tools to customize your sheet, and it's just a click away. Give it a second to drop down the menu. From here, look for the Drawing option and select it. This is a powerful little tool that's honestly kind of underrated in Google Sheets, and it opens up a separate window where you can create simple shapes, text, and you guessed it, lines. Now in the drawing window, look near the toolbar at the top for the line icon, which usually looks like a little diagonal slash. Go ahead and click that. This tells Google that we're about to insert a line rather than a shape or a text box. With the line tool selected, click and drag across the canvas to draw your line. Here, where you get to make it diagonal, so instead of dragging straight across horizontally or vertically, start in one corner of the canvas and pull towards the opposite corner. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can always adjust the endpoints to fine-tune that diagonal angle if you want it to be more or less steep. Think of this as drawing a line across a piece of paper, from the top left to the bottom right. Once you're happy with how your diagonal line looks, it's time to click Save and Close up in the corner. This adds your drawing to the sheet itself, almost like pasting a little image. Now, simply click and drag the inserted line to position it right over the cell where you want your diagonal. A quick tip here, sometimes the diagonal line won't fit the cell exactly, maybe it's too long or a little off-center, and that's totally normal. If this happens, just double-click on the line image in your sheet. This brings you right back to the drawing editor, where you can adjust the size, the angle, or even the line thickness until it fits nicely inside your cell. Don't stress if it takes a couple of tries, even experienced users sometimes need to nudge things back and forth for the perfect fit. Feel free to repeat this process for any other cells where you need a diagonal line. Just remember, each time you adjust or move your line, take a quick look at how it sits in the cell and don't hesitate to go back and edit as much as you need. It's a bit like framing a photo, a little tweaking makes the end result look much more professional. And there you have it, you've successfully added a diagonal line to your chosen cell in Google Sheets using just the built-in tools. If this video helped you out, please take a second to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using diagonal lines in your own projects, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.